Hey there, Akshod Gupta here. And today, I'm excited to introduce something that's going to completely transform how you create stunning presentations and slide videos in minutes. If you've ever wanted to launch your own presentations, video slides, AI course, pitch deck, or client offer, but felt stuck because of tech, design, or content creation hassles, then listen closely. Because what I'm about to show you will let you create fully done-for-you presentations and slide videos using the power of AI in just a few clicks with no design skills, no team, and no ongoing costs. Introducing Autoslides AI, the world's first fully AI-powered app that have one-click AI presentation maker. Instantly create stunning slide decks just by entering a topic or keyword. Perfect for education, business, or marketing. AI slide text writer. Generate compelling slide content automatically with human-like tone, structure, and storytelling. Real-time image and icon generator. Auto-generate relevant icons, illustrations, and visuals for every slide. No need to search manually. AI voice narration. Add realistic voiceovers to your slides in multiple languages and tones. Perfect for tutorials, explainers, and courses. One-click export options. Download your entire presentation in PPT, PDF, or video format instantly, ready for meetings, uploads, or sharing. Slide to video generator. Convert your entire slide deck into a voice-narrated, visually engaging video in one click. PDF to PPT maker. Transform boring PDF documents into dynamic editable PowerPoint presentations in seconds. Multilingual slides. Create presentations in 100+ languages for global audiences, clients, or students. Educational and business templates. Access a growing library of done-for-you templates tailored for various industries and niches. Interactive slide elements. Add clickable links, buttons, and transitions to make your presentations more dynamic and engaging. And the best part? All of this happens from one simple dashboard, available in 100+ languages. Whether you're a coach, freelancer, YouTuber, or entrepreneur, Autoslides AI gives you everything you need to create and sell presentations in any niche. Build stunning pitch decks and webinar slides. Turn slides into engaging YouTube and Instagram videos. Offer presentation services on Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. Use it for your own business, agency, or e-learning needs. And do it all without writing, designing, or editing. Sell your slide content on platforms like Etsy, presentation templates, Fiverr, slide deck and pitch creation, Gumroad, lead magnet slides, YouTube, slide videos with voiceovers, LinkedIn, professional pitch decks, and many more. How does it work? Just 3 easy steps. Log into Autoslides AI. Choose what you want to create: presentation, video, VSL, etc. Hit generate and watch the magic happen. And yes, you're getting powerful bonuses too. Bonus 1. Vertical Video Resizer app. Bonus 2. AI Script Writer Tool. Bonus 3. Slide to Article Converter. Bonus 4. Instant Landing Page Maker. Bonus 5. Caption Overlay Tool. Warning: this changes everything for anyone creating content, courses, or client offers. You don't need to hire designers, scriptwriters, or video editors. It's all done for you by AI. For a limited time, get lifetime access at a special one-time price before it turns monthly. Backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk. This is your chance to dominate your niche with high-converting presentations and videos in just a few clicks. Click the button below to activate Autoslides AI now and start creating world-class presentations today. See you inside.